Welcome back to Tech Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix any Windows 11 update error automatically, whether your updates are stuck, keep failing, or simply not downloading. You don't need to reinstall Windows or lose any files. Just follow these quick and safe steps to get your system running smoothly again. First, let's begin with the simplest method using the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on the Start menu, open Settings, and go to System, then Troubleshoot, and select Other Troubleshooters. You see a list of tools there. Find Windows Update and click Run next to it. This tool will automatically scan your system, find common issues with the update process, and fix them. Once it's done, restart your computer and try updating again. If the problem continues, we'll move to a slightly advanced method using the command prompt. Open the search bar, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Then enter the commands as shown at the end of this video. These commands will scan your system files, repair any damage, and fix components that might be preventing updates from installing. Once all commands finish running, restart your PC and check for updates again. If updates still don't work, don't worry, there's one more effective fix. You can reset the Windows Update components manually. Again, open the command prompt as administrator and enter the commands shown at the end. This process will stop the update services, clear the temporary update cache, and start everything fresh. It's completely safe and often resolves even the most stubborn update issues. Before you finish, make sure your C drive has enough free space and that your internet connection is stable. If you're using any third-party antivirus, try disabling it temporarily during the update process. This sometimes helps Windows run updates more smoothly. That's it. Your Windows 11 should now install updates without any errors. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Solutions for more simple and effective PC tutorials. And comment below to let me know which method works best for you.